Hello. First of all, I would like to introduce the premise of my website. My website is supposed to be a website for the Roadhouse Cafe, which is a long-term running cafe operating from Tamil. So let's look at the website in brief. I will let you know that I have used Bootstrap for making this responsive, as well as I have used obviously HTML, CSS. I have used Bootstrap JavaScript, and I have also used Popper.js on top of Bootstrap JavaScript. Basically, this back on top button, and we have used PHP for the backend, and we are using a MySQL database. And this is how the website looks. This is the menu page. It has a breadcrumb, and this is how our footer looks like. These are actual address and contact information of the Roadhouse Cafe. This is in Google Maps embed, and these links go nowhere. Yeah, and all of the pictures used in this website are proprietary to Roadhouse Cafe. In the menu, some are from Google, but the most of them are from the Roadhouse Cafe website or their Facebook page. And these are different businesses from Roadhouse. And let's talk about the let me show you the backend. I mean responsiveness of this website. So as you can see, this is going to be the tablet mode, and this is going to be smartphone mode. So this is how it would look in a smartphone. So as you can see, it is pretty responsive, and the menu also goes like this. We have the navigation bar, which turns into a drop down menu, drop up menu. Let's exit this mode. Now we can take a look at some of the backend functionality. So let's go into login. So at this moment I only have one user account registered because my database got corrupted and I had to make it again. So as you can see, we have Tony Stark, the real Iron Man, and as you can see, we have password hash being stored instead of the password. This is a security layer. We have implemented I have implemented other measures that prevent SQL injection attacks in the code as well, along with this password hash. For this password hash, I have used the default PHP library function. And let's try logging in. So we are going to be using the real Iron Man account. Before I show you login, I would like to show you the what the different outlets are for a user to communicate with the backend. So as you can see, we have this form here. This is a reservation form. We can fill this without logging in. So let me demonstrate this first. So this let's just set test email test. Okay, this seems 298. Okay, this seems fine. Let's do a date for tomorrow and 8 p.m. would be a good time for dinner. uh, can you do something special? Okay, so as you can see, we can submit this. Now let's check if we have the reservation. So if we go to check the reservation, you might see that this is obviously Tony Stark, the one we previously had, but we have another entry which is test, and it does say can you do something special. So we know the form works. Now let's look at the login functionality and how the sessions work. So we know that we have one account registered, which is the real Iron Man. So if we go to if we go to login, we go to real Iron Man, and I have kept the password I am rich. We should be able to log in. So as you can see, if we go to reservation now, it's going to say hello Tony Stark, please fill these details to make a reservation. So as you can see, previously we would not we had not the name. It was a form which had asked for name, email address and contact number, but since we already have logged in and we already have contact number, email and name of the user, we use active sessions to transfer that detail to the database. So let's see, let's make another reservation. Let's say we make it for it doesn't really matter, we just do it for Friday, like 6 p.m. Please keep a table of 5 smiley face. No, that's not smiley face. Smiley face. Let's see if this goes through. So if this worked, we should see that we have Tony Stark, real billionaire, and the message came through. Let's see if we are able to sign up now. So let's log out, log in again, go to sign up, use a new name, random Randy Orton, and then we have randy@orton.com, and we have the phone number. Let's do any one of these. RKO shall be our password. So we sign up, Randy Orton, RKO. We can see we are logged in as Randy Orton, and if we go to reservation, contact us, you say hello random, which we put our name as random. It's not saying random because it's random, but because we put our name as random. So if we were to say hey, it would show up here, not here, it would show up as contact us. So hey, you can see random, so this works. Now let's look at the admin. So if we log into admin, we should be able to see that we have this reservations. So these are the reservations. This was already there, and this was the test we did first without logging in, and this is what we did after logging in. Alternatively, we can look at the contact requests. So this was already there, and this is what we did a few moments ago after creating a new account, and this would allow us to log out. So we have also used active session here. If someone were to find the URL, they would not be able to access the dashboard without knowing the user credential. So this is basically the gist of everything in this website. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.